Good morning, Falling Waters, Davis Boulevard. My name is Bob Mangino. Today is November 7th, 2024, and this purpose of the video is to go over sales of condos in Falling Waters, Davis Boulevard. We'll be looking at what they're being listed at, what they're finally being sold at, and also how long does it take to get a contract on one of these listings. Today we'll be specifically looking at the two-bedroom condos with garages. These condos range from a low of $409,000 to a high of $449,000 with a median list price of $425,000. When we look at what they're actually selling for, we look to a CMA of closed sales over the last 120 days, and we see that the median closed sales price is $397,000. When we wanted to find out how long it took to get a contract on these condos, we did a comparative market analysis, and we found out that the median days on market for these condos was 132 days. In conclusion, we found out that these condos had a median list price of $425,000. They finally sold for a median close price of $397,000. And the time it took to get a contract on these condos, they had a median days on market of 132 days. If you'd like to find out any other market trends in Falling Waters, you can schedule a complimentary Zoom call with me by calling 404-242-6498, or else you can email me at bobmangino@gmail.com. Hope to hear from you. Take care and have a good day.